All right, good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader, here with your Thursday market webcast. All right, it's like 9:22 in the morning. The market's going to open 8 minutes. I would say maybe once, twice a year, I have to redo these because something happens with the audio. That would be today. So let me make this real quick. Lower band ride is done on the daily. 50-day exponential moving average, which is your red line. Resistance yesterday, resistance now. What do the bears need to do? Take out yesterday's low, 38.55 half, and then go back to work on the Wednesday low down at 38.03 half. Not taking any bullish move seriously until it can convert all the way through, including the daily mid-band, and ultimately on a longer term basis, it has to turn the 200-day, the purple line, into support, okay? All right, so keeping it quick. Yesterday, just kind of this grind off of 38.03 half. You can see where it's just kind of just petered out, and we're just kind of gliding down. You can see how small the range candles were on the hourly last night. So look, it's clearly gearing down for the holidays. Don't overtrade it. We literally got him one really nice one yesterday, and had a 30 handle runner and did about 17 handles and change, and that's good enough. It really is. It really is. 2 days before the 3-day holiday for Christmas. Just take what the market is giving you. Don't overtrade it. It's just so completely not worth it. So we're down about 1% tonight in the overnight. We'll see if 70 wants to hold. If 70 converts, 55 half is open on the down. If the bears lift it, or the bulls rather, lift it off the open, you got the proprietary moving average 38.92, volume weighted average price 97.75, and the hourly mid-band sitting around 39.06. You got round number 3900 sitting in there as well. So 91 to 05, 06 is going to be important on any kind of a pop. If that fails, either at the 5-minute mid-band at 85 or anywhere above, then that next move down, you really got to see a lower low there. If they can pull that off, then you can get a move back to the Tuesday low if the bears get it together. You got a ton of econ tomorrow too that's going to at least, I expect tomorrow morning to be big on the econ, and then by the time we get to the afternoon, it's going to crap out. We're not going to trade tomorrow afternoon. I mean, we got, we'll start our weekend early. We're not chasing performance. So, all right, that's all I got. We open in 6 minutes. Sorry for the late one, but the audio crapped out on me. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. Hope the audio didn't crap out on this one. Be good. Talk to you tomorrow.